So, you want to make a video. How does one do that? Well, there's a couple of questions you might be asking yourself. First thing, what do you have at your disposal? You could probably make a decent video with your webcam or a cell phone. The cameras built into most cell phones these days can give you HD quality video. Rule of thumb, if you're going to be recording with your cell phone, consider orientation. Try recording like this instead of like this. Most people these days will record like this. This is what's called the portrait mode in a up and down fashion. Keep in mind, if you do record in this format, it will be displayed a little bit funky. So, tilt it. This, not this. This, not this. The more you do it, the easier it'll become, I promise. The second question you need to ask yourself, where will you be filming? Consider your space. Consider the elements within that space. What kind of lighting are you going to use? Is there background noise? Also, the background itself. And where do you relate to all of those elements within the frame? Being able to utilize your space allows you the opportunity to put in graphics or bullet points. There's a term in videography known as the rule of thirds. Basically, if you divide up your frame into 3 sections vertically and horizontally, you can be able to utilize that space in any form or fashion so that you can potentially create a higher quality video. As far as public speaking goes, try to remain casual. It's easy to look away from the frame, as I do all the time, but consider looking at the frame, the eyes of your audience. Being able to make that eye connection provides that human element. And yes, it is okay to smile occasionally. As far as editing goes, and there's a little bit of a caveat within that. There's a little bit, and here are some tips to give you. Let's try to speak candidly, especially if you're going to be making a lecture series. All of the ums and pauses and awkward moments, or being able to backtrack and say something different than what you just said, also is okay. However, if you're having a hard time listening to yourself, consider what your audience is listening to. And the more you do it, the more comfortable you'll become. Consider your audio source. Right now, obviously, I am recording with a lavalier microphone. But whatever element you have to record your audio, maybe it's the camera, maybe it's the webcam, consider listening to that as well. Having good audio quality provides a better quality video.